The world of electric vehicles, EVs, is experiencing a swift transformation with the primary focus on enhancing battery technology. It's no surprise that the pace of research and development in EV battery technology has accelerated exponentially in recent years. The race to develop more efficient, longer-lasting, and safer batteries is on, and several notable players are making headway. Among them, Tesla, a trailblazer in the EV market, is making significant strides in advancing EV battery technology. This video aims to dive deep into the advancements in EV battery technology with a particular emphasis on Tesla's pioneering contributions. Let's embark on this electrifying journey. Battery technology is at the heart of the transition to clean energy. With the world shifting towards sustainability, the demand for EVs is skyrocketing. Consequently, the quest for advanced battery technology that powers these vehicles effectively and efficiently is taking center stage. The primary goals are to boost energy density, enhance charging speed, extend lifespan, and reduce costs. Currently, lithium-ion batteries are the backbone of the EV industry. They power everything from compact EVs to heavy-duty electric trucks. However, while lithium-ion batteries have served us well, the EV industry is exploring new frontiers to overcome some inherent limitations of this technology, such as long charging times, range anxiety, and degradation over time. Despite the emerging alternatives, lithium-ion batteries remain the go-to choice for most EV manufacturers, including Tesla. They offer high energy density, which translates into longer driving range. However, they have their shortcomings, including potential safety risks and the high cost of raw materials like cobalt and nickel. Sodium-ion batteries are emerging as a viable alternative to lithium-ion batteries. They share a similar design with lithium-ion batteries but replace lithium with sodium as the primary chemical component. The advantage of sodium-ion batteries lies in their potential to cut costs due to the abundance of sodium, a cheaper and more widely available material. Solid-state batteries are another promising technology that could revolutionize the EV industry. They replace the liquid electrolyte in lithium-ion batteries with a solid material, which could significantly increase energy density, improve safety, and reduce charging time. However, the technology is still in its nascent stages, and it might take a few more years before it becomes commercially viable. Tesla is at the forefront of the EV battery technology revolution. It uses both lithium-ion and lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries in its vehicles. Tesla's cutting-edge research and development efforts are focused on creating batteries that are cheaper, charge faster, and last longer. The company is also exploring new battery technologies, including its next-gen 4680 cells and solid-state batteries. While Tesla is a significant player, several other companies are making notable strides in EV battery technology. These include established automakers like General Motors and Toyota, as well as battery tech startups like QuantumScape and Solid Power. The future of EV battery technology looks promising, with several groundbreaking technologies on the horizon. From solid-state batteries to sodium-ion alternatives and advanced lithium-ion chemistries, the EV battery space is set for a revolution. The goal is to create batteries that offer longer range, faster charging, better safety, and lower costs. The advancements in EV battery technology will have profound implications on the EV industry and the broader effort to combat climate change. They will make EVs more affordable and practical, accelerating their adoption. This, in turn, will help reduce greenhouse gas emissions, a critical step towards achieving a sustainable future. The ongoing advancements in EV battery technology are paving the way for a greener and more sustainable future. While lithium-ion batteries continue to dominate the landscape, new and promising technologies like solid-state and sodium-ion batteries are on the horizon. Tesla continues to lead the charge, but other players are also making significant strides. The future of EVs looks bright, and the battery technology that powers them is set to play a pivotal role in this exciting journey.